Hello everyone, let's learn Japanese. Japanese hiragana has 46 basic characters. But when you add dakuten, handakuten, and small character combinations, the total grows to over 100 sounds. When you search for hiragana, you usually see only 46 characters, right? But in reality, these 46 characters are the foundation of the Japanese writing system. Let's start by learning them. Think of them like the Japanese alphabet. But here's something cool. For example, in English, A can sound different in apple and April, but in Japanese always sounds like A. Once you learn hiragana, you can read and pronounce any Japanese word just by looking at it. Let's learn Japanese. Now we're going to practice the first 5 characters. Don't be shy. It's not a song. It's just pronunciation practice. When I pronounce hiragana 4 times, you should also pronounce it 4 times afterward.
Let's go. Your turn.
I.
U.
E. O. A I U E 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 O. Why stroke order matters in Japanese writing. Here's why Japanese stroke order is not just a formality, but a fundamental aspect of writing. 1. It makes writing easier. Writing in the right order helps your hand move smoothly. This makes it faster and neater, just like writing English letters the right way. 2. It helps others read your writing. Japanese people are used to seeing characters written a certain way. If you follow, your writing will be clearer. 3. It helps you remember characters. Some Japanese characters are tricky. Writing them in the right order helps your brain remember them better. 4. Computers and calligraphy. Japanese writing looks best in the correct order. Some computers and apps can only recognize characters if you write them correctly. 5th stroke order is easy to learn. Most Japanese characters follow these simple rules. Top to bottom, left to right. Use a grid notebook to learn hiragana and kanji writing. Each square has guidelines to help with balance and stroke order. This method ensures that students develop neat and accurate handwriting. Let's get started.
1、2、3、あ、い、1、ジャンプ、2、い、う、1、2、しゅ、う、え、1、2、え、お、1、2、 3、お、
The instructor can check the hiragana you wrote in your notebook. If you want it checked, take a photo and send it to the instructor.